How to lock Cash App debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock Cash App debit card. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Cash App. So this is what Cash App looks like. Now, after you're logged in into your account, you will need to head over to the banking section, that is the second one from the bottom left. Simply tap on that and you should be on the cash card section. So after you're on the cash card section, what you'll need to do is you'll see lock card. If you don't see it, scroll down a bit and you should find lock card option. All you have to do to lock your debit card is toggle that button on. Now, this is a really good security measure when you've lost your card and you don't know where it is. And if you're unsure if it's safe or not, you can simply lock your card so no one else can use it. And if you find it again, you can come back there again and then unlock it. And it's that simple. And that's how you lock your debit card off your Cash App. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.